Want to make your Facebook profile more private? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to hide your profile and increase your privacy settings in just a few minutes. First, open the Facebook app on your device and log into the account you want to secure. Once you're in, tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, in the top right corner of the app. From here, tap on the gear icon to access the settings. Scroll down until you find How People Find and Contact You under the Privacy section and tap on it. Now let's customize your privacy settings. Change who can send you friend requests to friends of friends to limit who can reach out. Set who can see your friends list to only me to make it completely private. For who can find you using the email address you provided and who can find you using the phone number you provided, select No One to prevent people from searching for you this way. Finally, turn off the option Do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile to ensure your profile won't appear in search engine results? By making these changes, your Facebook profile will become much harder to find, giving you better control over who can interact with you. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who value their online privacy. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials.